Down the road and round the bend we meet our jiggly wiggly friend, a jelly clown with roller skates, singing songs through chocolate gates. The doors go swish, confetti flies, big candy sparkles light the skies. Welcome, welcome, the giggle bell rings, let's make joy in all the things. The big giggle dance. Clap your hands and pat your knees, and wiggle your fingers in the breeze. Jump up high and spin around, let's shake the giggles from the ground. Laugh out loud, see how happy faces glow. Clap your hands and dance with glee at the silly Giggle Factory. There's a panda painter, black and white, splashing colors left and right. He paints the clouds in polka dots, and giggle bubbles fill the pots. The robot baker rolls the dough, he hums a tune. Let's go, let's go! Out pops a pie that starts to sing. Laughter makes the world go zing. Sing, the giggle dance. Mash your feet, 1, 2, 3. Wave your arms so happily. Stomp like elephants, twirl with bees. In the land of giggle breeze. Ha 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 and hee hee hee. We're all friends, just you and me. So laugh and spin and shout yippee at the magical Giggle Factory. When the moonlight softly glows, the giggle flowers start to grow. They bloom with colors pink and blue. Each one whispers, I love you. A sleepy bear begins to snore, but giggle dust makes him roar. Not in anger, just in fun. His laugh sounds like a bouncing drum. The big giggle dance. Clap your hands and tap your toes. Let's see how big your laughter grows. Jump up high, spin left and right. Turn your giggles into light. Now hug your friends and smile so wide. Let the giggles flow inside. From every town, from sea to sea, let's all cheer.